How to send money through Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send money through Facebook Messenger. Now, unlike Facebook where you can send money to only your friends, in Messenger you can send money to anyone you start a conversation with, even if they are not friends with you. Now, how can you send it? The process is quite simple. All you have to do is you'll have to open up your Messenger. You want to start up a chat with someone that you want to send money to. You can either search from the search bar or you can simply start up a conversation here. Now at the bottom you can see the message option there. You can see like button there. You can see voice and you can see gallery and you can see camera, and there you can see the 4 dots option. Now, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on 4 dots option there, and there you'll be able to find the option send money, and you can adjust and edit the cash that you want to send there as well, the amount that you want to send. Now in my case you can see the option is no longer available. Now it's due to the reason. Now you might get the option depending on the region. It's only the feature to send money is only rolled out on certain countries, so currently it's not available in my region here, but if it's available in your region then you'll find it here. Or even if you checked out that the option is available in your region but you are not getting in your Messenger, then you might want to head back to your Play Store and you want to check the Play Store or that on your Play Store that your Messenger is updated to the latest version. So once you do so, you'll be able to send money. So this way you can send money through Facebook Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.